Hi guys, I'm just going to do a very quick video to show you how to make these delicious cauliflower buffalo wings. I know, don't they look amazing? Super easy and 6 smart points for the whole recipe. So preheat your oven to 450 degrees, line your cookie sheet, spray it well, cut your cauliflower up about a medium cauliflower, and you're going to take a half a cup of oatmeal. You can use regular flour, but I made it into oat flour. Just put it through your processor, any brand, any kind. You're going to add to it a half a cup of water. So a half a cup of oatmeal, a half a cup of water, add a teaspoon of onion powder, some pepper, and a teaspoon of garlic powder. Okay? Easy peasy. You're going to toss the cauliflower in a large bowl and coat it with your mixture. You're going to put it in the oven for about 20 minutes and turn it over once, so halfway. Then you're going to take 2 tablespoons of I can't believe it's not light butter and a 1/3 cup of Frank's hot sauce and 2 tablespoons of Joseph syrup. So you're going to melt the butter, add the Frank's hot sauce, and I like it sweet, but if you don't like it sweet and you want honey, you can use honey, but I'm just using the syrup. You melt it and then you coat it. Take it out of the oven and you coat it. I just brushed it on, or you can just pour it over in a bowl and add it back to the oven for another 20-25 minutes so that they get nice and brown and delicious to become wings, and they get a little sticky. Then I'm just going to dip it in some chunky blue cheese dressing if you want. So then you have your wings and your dip. You could add some carrots and celery and it would be super duper delicious. Easy peasy recipe, and I hope you love it. I think you'll enjoy it as much as I do. Don't forget to continue to subscribe, ring that bell, comment, share. Visit me at Weight Watchers Tips and Recipes by Risa. And make sure you have all your ingredients out so you don't forget a thing. If you want to change it up and add different spices, you can do that. If you have a huge cauliflower, you can double the sauce, okay? So you decide if you want to do that. But for a medium cauliflower that I used, that's the amount I used for it. And remember, all my recipes are written underneath each video. All right, love you guys. Take care. Bye for now.